What if I told you that getting your stolen crypto back is possible? Stick around to learn how. First, don't panic. It might seem like the end of the world, but there are steps you can take. Step 1. Secure your accounts. Change your passwords and enable two-factor authentication. This stops further breaches. Step 2. Notify your exchange. Contact their support team ASAP. They can often freeze transactions and track suspicious activity. Step 3. Report the theft. No luck with the exchange? Reach out to us here at SoshuTech. It's crucial for legal follow-up. We use blockchain explorers and other reliable tools that can trace where your crypto's gone. We might spot patterns or leads and use professional help. We are the best recovery services you can get out there. Do some research and find out more about us. Remember, the crypto community is strong and supportive. You're not alone in this fight. Stay vigilant and keep your assets safe. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more crypto tips.